So now that I've gone across the top, I went back to where I started. In order to define this kind of oblong shape of nose, I'll then go from where I started here and go halfway and across to the other halfway point. Sorry, halfway from the top of the nose. So I'm halfway. You can see I'm extending it past my pencil mark because I wasn't happy with the size it was coming out to be. And then I'll go back from the halfway point here through the top, and I'm going to come out at the bottom here where, actually I'm going to come out somewhere. There we go. And what you're getting is like a little nose that's got this shape to it. And I'll come back out through the top just to ensure it's nice and tight. Now at this point, you can decide, is that how you want your nose? Do you want to have it more of a gradual definition down into the cheek? You'll see it still has a nice definition. You can finish it off by going around this way and up to make it much more defined. I'm going to leave mine as a little bit more passive, a little gentler of a nose, but I will go over the upper part one more time just to kind of continue to define that. So you can see it's kind of got a little, almost like U-shaped nose here. This is just, you don't have to do it this way. You can do it exactly how the tutorial teaches. You can play with other methods. I just wanted to give you guys a little something that's not included in any tutorial. Just since these workshops are a lot more fun if you learn some novel things that nobody else knows about. At this point, I'll tie off the two ends, if I can hold on to it. I'm going to tie it twice. And I'll bury my thread. On that side, I'll bury it. And then on this side, I could rethread this little end and bury it, and that's probably what I'll do. I won't do it right now because it's really hard to thread the needle when I'm trying to focus on the video. So I'm going to thread this end and hide this end as well. And then the next step, what you're going to need is your needle felting needles, a marking tool, so you can use a pencil or a pen, and some extra wool, and we're going to get started.